Welcome to Frosth Astrophotography, looking back at 2022. In this video, I'm going to look back at my astrophotography year of 2022 with numbers and images. So this is the season at 63 degrees north, where I live, in the high coast of the northern part of Sweden. As you can see here, we have astronomical darkness from January to the beginning of April, and from the beginning of September until the end of December. You really need to make the most of every clear night or partially clear night. For the entire 2022 season, I've managed 25 imaging sessions, and of those, I think 3 or 4 completely clear nights. In those imaging sessions, I've managed to capture 11 objects, but some of those are projects not yet completed, and they will not be displayed at the end of this video. If you add up the total light frames captured and used on images or projects, it's a total of 1,548 light frames, most of which are 300-second exposures. You can see that I have a total integration time of 118 hours for this season. The object with the most integration time of this season is Caldwell 49, or the Rosette Nebula, with approximately 22 hours. So I made a few equipment upgrades this season, and mainly I upgraded my DSLR Canon 60D to a cooled astro camera, the ASI294MM Pro, and also, to go with that, the ZWO filter wheel 7 position 36mm with the LRGB and SHO 7nm filters. The current equipment that I'm using is the SkyWatcher HEQ5 Pro with the SkyWatcher EvoStar 80 ED Pro and the SkyWatcher EvoGuide 50 ED guide scope. And like I said, the ZWO ASI294MM Pro camera with the ASI120MM Mini guide camera. And I have the ZWO filter wheel and focuser, as well as the ZWO filters. Some projects and modifications that I did this season. Well, first of all, I did the hypertune of the HEQ5 Pro mount. I did that early spring, I would say, and I've used SKF ball bearings and low temperature grease from SKF as well. The main project that I did this summer was my miniature home observatory, and I hope you have watched all 21 videos in this series. The build started on June 18th and ended on October 5th. I still have some projects to do with the observatory, and that will be for next summer. In total, I made 21 videos in this series, and the raw video material is stacking up to 107 hours of video footage that I took. I didn't actually count the working hours on this project, but I'm guessing it's a bit more than the raw video material, even though I videotaped most of it. I'm just going to show you some images from this build, starting with the foundation that I hand dug in the backyard, or in the front yard, I would say. I built my own pier, 250 millimeter in diameter Sonos tube, and I made my own mounting bracket for the mount using a brake disc caliper. I insulated the floor of my observatory for future needs, and built my own framing work with 90 millimeter studs. I enclosed the structure with a standing panel and made my own roof rafters. I used the same metal roof that I have on my regular house and a garage, and custom made some metal parts to enclose or close the gap between the roof and the main structure. So this is the final product, and this is the observatory in the open position. That was a quick review of my astrophotography year of 2022. And now I'm going to show you the images from my imaging sessions from that season. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already doing so. And if you want to support me and the work with these videos, there is an option listed in the video description that you can use. Until the next video, I wish you have clear skies.